Telegram nearby feature not working, fix Telegram people nearby not showing Ella's working method. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Telegram nearby feature not working. To resolve the issue, begin by locating the Telegram app on your mobile device. Press and hold the Telegram icon for a few seconds until a small menu appears, and then tap on App Info. This will open the application settings page, where you can manage storage, notifications, and permissions. Inside the App Info screen, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. Here, you will see a list of permissions such as camera, contacts, and location. Next, locate the location option and tap on it. To make sure Telegram can function properly, mark the option Allow while using the app. This ensures Telegram has access to your location only when you're actively using it, which is more secure. As the next step, open your mobile browser and search for a query like, "Why did Telegram remove the people nearby feature?" By doing this, you'll come across official explanations and reliable news sources that provide the exact reason. Telegram removed the people nearby feature because of safety, privacy, and misuse concerns. While the feature was originally designed to let people find others in their vicinity, only a small percentage of users were using it for genuine purposes. Unfortunately, it became heavily targeted by bots and scammers, which created a risk for user security. So, in short, if you were wondering why the feature disappeared, it was removed to protect users from potential privacy risks and misuse. Even though it was a popular tool for some. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.